Hey cutie beauties, it's your girl Anita and I am back with another video. I'm here to show you how to use your old fashioned as an exfoliator. So you're going to get your bottle and you want to mix it up. All the sugar tends to settle at the bottom, so you want to make sure that you're bringing all that sugar right to the top. I'm going to get a nice scoopful, put it in your hand. Now this is not going to be like your typical exfoliator. You're not going to get like a nice scrub. This is going to be a nice gentle scrub. And the key to using this as an exfoliator is to apply with a wet hand. So you don't want to wet the mixture, but you want to apply with a wet hand. You're just going to scrub it in. So it's going to give you a nice gentle exfoliation on the skin. And this is made with coconut sugar, so this is very gentle for all skin types, guys. And that's it. And then you just rinse it off. Bye, guys.